Meiosis is a special form of cell division in sexually reproducing organisms, creating gametes. What are gametes? Gametes are sperm cells and egg cells in male and female with half the chromosomes of the original cell. This reduction is crucial for species chromosome stability. Meiosis has two parts, Meiosis I and Meiosis II, each with unique stages. Prophase I. During this stage, homologous chromosomes come together in a process called synapsis to form structures called tetrads. This allows for the exchange of genetic material through a process called crossing over. Crossing over results in genetic recombination, creating genetic diversity among offspring. Prophase I is a prolonged and complex stage. Metaphase I. The tetrads align at the cell's equatorial plane or the metaphase plate. Unlike in mitosis, where individual chromosomes align, in meiosis, homologous pairs line up. Anaphase I. In this stage, the homologous chromosomes are pulled apart, with one chromosome of each pair moving to one of the daughter cells. This separation results in the reduction of chromosome number by half. The sister chromatids, however, remain attached. Telophase I and cytokinesis I. These stages mark the end of meiosis I. Two daughter cells are formed, each containing a unique combination of chromosomes due to crossing over during prophase I. The nuclear envelope reforms, and the cell divides into two haploid cells, each with half the original chromosome number. Prophase II. The haploid cells produced in meiosis I undergo prophase II, where a new spindle apparatus forms and the nuclear envelope breaks down. Metaphase II. Chromatids align at the metaphase plate in both daughter cells. Anaphase II. Sister chromatids are separated and pulled toward opposite poles of the cells. Telophase II and cytokinesis II. The chromatids arrive at opposite poles and form new nuclei. Cytokinesis II divides the two haploid cells into a total of 4 unique haploid daughter cells, each with a different combination of genetic material. Key differences between meiosis and mitosis. Number of divisions. Meiosis has 2 divisions, resulting in 4 non-identical haploid cells, while mitosis has 1 division, producing 2 identical diploid daughter cells. Meiosis introduces genetic diversity through crossing over in prophase I, creating unique combinations of alleles in the daughter cells. Mitosis does not involve crossing over.